I guess I'll call this vlog 1. I'm gonna start doing that. Anyways, I'm working on making a rotary encoder to essentially make a volume control knob for my fiance's computer. The premise is kind of like a Nest. The Nest thermostats. How the outside, you twist the outside edge and, change the volume. But I basically wanted to incorporate that somehow. So here I have a Leonardo in the form of a Pro Micro. Because eventually I'm going to use USB HID to interface with the volume. It's also going to have play pause buttons. And I'm using 2 photo transistors offset. I have a 10-degree slots, around 18 of them, and they're basically offset by 15 degrees to give that 90 degrees out of phase. And basically it gives it a quadrature encoding, which here, as I twist this, you watch the serial output. So I go to the right, it goes up, and I go to the left, it goes down. So this is the first step to the design. But basically it's going to have a top piece. It's going to be a lot bigger than this, with buttons on top, and you basically twist the whole edge of the base to change the volume. Oops. Well, I'll keep you guys updated.